Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to change the temperature of our fridge and freezer in Samsung side-by-side fridge model. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung side-by-side fridge model, but these steps could be applicable for other similar Samsung fridge models too. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. Depending on whether we live in a hot or cold climate, we can adjust our fridge temperature. We should also adjust it based on the types of food we store. Sometimes we stock up and fill our fridge with a lot of items, and other times we only keep the essentials inside this. To change the temperature, we have to first open the door, and on this side we will have this digital control panel. We have the temperature for the freezer at the top, and below this we have the temperature for the fridge, and at the bottom we have a few navigational buttons. Here we can use the circle button to navigate between freezer and fridge temperature, and we can use the navigational arrows to adjust the temperature, and we can again press the circle button to confirm the value. Similarly, we can do this for the fridge. We can go here and we can adjust the value, and we can again press the circle to finalize. That's all. We can also power freeze and power cool our fridge. This will instantly cool both the fridge and freezer area for a few hours. This will come handy when we are storing large amount of foods. To do this, we have to reach the coldest setting available for both freezer and fridge, and then we have to select this arrow symbol once again. For example, if we want to enable a power freeze, then we have to select the circle option and we have to go to -23, and now we have to again press this arrow symbol. We can see the ice cube option here. That means this is in power freeze, and we can select the circle option to enable this. And similarly, if we want to enable power cool option, then we have to go to fridge option, and then we have to go to 1, and we have to press this arrow symbol once again. We can see this ice drop option. So we have to select the circle now to enable this. That's all. So as you can see, both power freeze and power cool options are enabled now. And suppose if we want to cancel this, we can select this circle icon again and we can use the normal value. That's all. We can also adjust the temperature using Samsung SmartThings app. We already shared a video about configuring this. I'll share that link in the description. So after opening the app, we have to go to our fridge icon and we will get this interface where we can adjust the temperature of our fridge and freezer. We can also enable power cool and power freeze option here. These are the steps to change the temperature of fridge and freezer in Samsung side-by-side fridge model. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.